In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WhatsApp Web from any web browser. This is a quick and simple process allowing you to access your WhatsApp messages directly on your computer screen, providing a more convenient way to chat while working or simply enjoying a larger interface. To begin, you'll need to open any web browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, enter the URL web.whatsapp.com in the address bar and navigate to the page. When the page loads, you'll notice a QR code taking up a portion of your screen. This QR code is key to linking your phone with WhatsApp Web. Now pick up your phone and open the WhatsApp application. Depending on whether you're using an iOS or Android device, you will either head to the settings menu or the menu button. Once there, look for the option labeled linked devices. This is where you can manage all the devices linked to your WhatsApp account for web access. When you tap on linked devices, you will be prompted with a new option to link a device. Now this is the exciting part. It's time to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen, hold your phone up to the computer screen and align it with the code. Your phone's camera will detect the QR code automatically. Once scanned successfully, your phone will establish a connection with WhatsApp Web. Give it a moment and you'll see all your WhatsApp chats loading on your computer screen. Now you're ready to use WhatsApp directly from your browser. With this setup, you can type messages using your keyboard, send attachments and read conversations more comfortably thanks to the larger display. Remember, WhatsApp Web is simply a mirror of your phone, meaning your phone must remain connected to the internet for WhatsApp Web to work. If at any point your phone loses the connection, WhatsApp Web will become temporarily inaccessible until the connection is restored. And that's it, you're now fully set up to use WhatsApp Web from any browser. It's a handy feature that lets you stay connected without needing to constantly pick up your phone. If you ever need to disconnect, simply log out from linked devices in the WhatsApp app on your phone or directly from the web interface on your computer. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and makes your WhatsApp experience even more versatile and efficient. Happy chatting.